Before I get into the video, I just want to say I was looking at my YouTube analytics the other day and I saw that only about 2% of the people that watch my videos are actually subscribed to my channel. So if you're one of those people who are not subscribed to my channel but watch my videos, make sure to subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. I upload every single week, so you're definitely going to want to be subscribed so you don't miss any of my videos. And my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers sometime during the summer, so help me accomplish that goal by subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it, like I said, and let's get right into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my recent Jordan 1 Core Purple investment, and I'll be going over things like when I bought them, why I bought them, what I bought the shoes for, and just what the market's at right now. And this video will serve as like a reference point just in case in a couple months I decide to make another video just showing where the market's at and if my investment was good or bad. So if you want to see that video, make sure to leave a like on this video or comment down below and maybe I'll do that. So let's start off why I bought these shoes. If you're new to investing in Jordan 1s or just reselling in general, I'll show you a couple reasons why holding on to a couple pair of ones can be pretty profitable in the long run if you know what you're doing. So before I bought any pairs of the Core Purples, I looked at some of the Jordan 1 colorways that had released in the past just to see what sizes went up the most in the future. And what I noticed is size 7 and 7.5 are almost guaranteed to go up over time. Those are usually the safest sizes that you can get for the Jordan 1s. Even the Jordan 1s that brick, usually size 7 and 7.5 always stay above retail, so there'll always be some value there. Even if the investment doesn't work, you'll probably be able to break even just because those sizes usually go up steadily in the future. I showed some pictures of some of the past Jordan 1 releases just to show you how much size 7 and 7.5 can go up over time. So the Jordan 1 Core Purples released on April 11th, but I didn't buy my pairs until about 10 days after the drop, once everyone got their pairs in hand. And from my experience, usually a week or two after the drop is the best time to buy a shoe, just because that's when the price is at its lowest. Because once everyone gets their pairs in hand, a lot of people just try to get their money, so they end up dumping their pairs and undercutting other people, which in turn makes the prices a lot lower. So that's definitely the best time to buy in my opinion. I had to take advantage of it, so I bought both of these when the market was pretty low for both of them. I bought the 7.5 first, and I got these for about $240, and now they go for about $300 on GOAT, maybe a little more. I could be wrong, but I'll flash up pictures of StockX and GOAT just to show you where they're at right now, just after about a month of holding them. And I bought these size 7s about a day later, and I paid, I think, around $280, but I ended up getting like $15 in eBay bucks on them, so $265 is essentially what I paid for them, and these have actually gone up quite a bit. On GOAT, I think they've almost hit $360, maybe they've hit it by now at the time of making this video, and on StockX, I think they're also around $300, $330, I think. I'll flash up pictures of both of those also. But overall, it's been a really good investment so far. I've only had these a month and I've pretty much broke even or profited on both of them. So I'll definitely continue to hold on to both of these for at least the next few months. Hopefully their value goes up even more. My hope for the size 7 is it hits close to 500, and for the 7.5, if it hits 450, I'll be happy. Usually size 7.5 doesn't hit as high as size 7 does, but overall it's been a really good investment so far. I've made back all my money and I could probably profit if I sold each of these right now. Comment down below if you've bought any Jordan 1s in the past as an investment and if it was successful or not. But that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that right away. I upload every single week, so you're not going to want to miss any of the videos I post. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.